Okay, folks, we're in the new Rural King store in the mall. Took over one of the old mall stores. The mall had pretty well closed up. So I'm really surprised. I have never seen a Rural King do that. Usually they build their own building, like repair shop, 1 hour pickup for stuff. I don't know what it is, honestly. Cookies sell. There's their gun barn down there. Cool. It's Rotella.
I think over there. I see those signs for
Okay.
women's and men's wrestling.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. High mileage synthetic blend. 10W30. Do they have it in 10W40 or straight 40? Max Life 1030, 1040. I'm going to come back look at those. I need to get some of that for a couple tractors, a couple old tractors that will help swell up the seals and stuff. Oh, here we go. Wow, there's an SA50. Oh, that's manual transmission fluid. Okay. Automatic transmission fluid, marine gear oil. Tractor hydraulic transmission fluid. Wow, that's a lot cheaper than I've had to pay for hydraulic fluid. Yeah, it is. It's cheaper. It's the big things of it. Here's lots more oil over here too. 50. I'm looking for the straight. I'd like to find like a straight 50 or something. Not hardly gonna. I don't think you're hardly gonna find it. Well, I did see a straight. Like they say, that was what though? There's 80, 90. There's SA50 right there. I think that would probably work. Come on, buddy. Look at it. Wow. There's more on this side. Holy cow. Agco. Agriculture. Okay, cool. Big things of hydraulic fluid. Look at that. 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid for $30, man. That's cheap. No kidding. Wow. Let's see, do they have any of the soak? The deep creep? That one boy over at Rural King and Marion yesterday told me he's had really good luck with the PB Blaster. He thought possibly that might break them cylinders loose, that the PB Blaster there and the gallons. That's $40 a gallon. Yeah, I've already put that in them. Already soaking them. And there's what? Take away rust, vapor rust. Oh, Okay. Shoes, boots. Okay. What's this more? Is this more hydraulic fluid? What's it say? Extreme fluid. What is it? Protection. Extreme fluid, 3 season layers, common applications in mobile equipment. Aging equipment where economical multi-purpose fluid is desired. Okay, nice. Well, Big store. Big store, and down there's animal feeds, I guess. I don't know if the dog feeds is there too or what.